Yes, my pussy's green.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the family channel. It's me, your girl Des, of course, ho. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you bad bitches how to do a summer slash sweat slash everything proof ass makeup. I went to Ulta and I tried to do a full face under $100. I didn't get a new primer. This one is forever a go-to. Like, I would never switch up on this. So because it's summer and you know you want a light face and all that jazz, we're throwing it back, bitch. Like like how I'm gonna be throwing it back soon. I swear, I'm excited. I was really debating on buying a sponge to do my makeup again, but I'm like, once you use brushes for your shit, you can never go back. I don't know. Just me. Is it just me? Okay, so for my eyebrows, I do have them microbladed by the brow surgeon on Insta, but I do like fill them in and put a little makeup on them with the Morphe pencil in Java. For concealer, majority of this shit is Maybelline. Like, you can never go wrong with Maybelline. I think I would forever do the 2016 2017 ass makeup for like the rest of my life. Here, a little here, a little there, a little on this shit, and this. Yeah. Like, low-key with this routine, it doesn't even feel like I have shit on, you know. And versus like my high-end products, which I did notice, like the NARS and shit like that, it felt a little heavier. Like, I knew I had makeup on, obviously, but for the bitches that get it, you hoes get it, you hoes get it. For contour, girl, fit me in 60. And this shit is so fucking pigmented. So the little dots, honestly, goes a long way. And then my nose, a little contour like this. Oh shit, that was a lot. This is the brush that I had bought. It's the Morphe in M332. So I actually peeped in one of my old old makeup videos, I would actually set my face before I baked it. So we are going to be setting our face with the Fit Me powder in 110 and set exactly where we're going to put the powder. I can't believe I forgot about this shit. Like, and for setting powder, we are going to be using the Fit Me powder in 10. Girl, baby is Maybelline over here. Oh. And I'm gonna put powder on my eyebrow. That was for the club. For bronzer, I know back then I would use like the Physicians Formula bronzer, but bitch, this NYX one, this buttermilk one, smells so fucking good. Like, bitch, so good. And it's in Deserve Butter, because a lot of my bad bitches do, especially this summer, hoe. You gotta be smelling good everywhere. Face, hair, body, your hands. Your hands are the most important thing, bitch, because when a motherfucker is trying to give you some money, you know, and you go reach for it, everything gotta be all cute and glittery and nice. My bad bitches are gonna have a great summer, actually. And on your own time too, you know. Don't be pushing yourselves to have like a fuck ass summer. For setting spray, for your shit to last all night, all day, all night, all everything, through everything. I'm just saying. I am just saying. Oh, for the brushes too. So for lashes, these bitches aren't at Ulta yet, but you hoes already know, and for those who don't, shop SBX. Period, ho. So for the lip combo, this is actually not from Ulta. I lied. MAC lip liner in Cork and MAC lipstick in Please Me. Fire. Last but not least, highlight. And girl, when I saw this shit and I swatched it, it brought back fucking memories. Like, well, not this specifically, but it dead ass reminds me of the Physicians Formula highlight that I keep reminiscing about. A little right here and a little right here. We'll add a little here. We're feeling a little summery. And for my hair, ta-da, bitch. I've never worn a headband like this, and I don't know how to feel. But we are wearing a Nova Sport, bitch, so you know what I mean. Pussy good, pussy sweet, pussy good enough to eat. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that good shit. I'll see you bad bitches in the next video.